ng tinola for dinner. Meron tayo ditong manok, malunggay, sayote, luya, bawang, sibuyas, tsaka tanglad. Let's start. Olive oil, sibuyas, bawang, luya, tsaka tanglad. Manok, tubig, at pakuluan lang natin sa lumambot. Wow. Lagay na natin ang sayote. Nagugutom na daw yung sawa ko, kaya okay na yung manok. Sayote, pakuluan na natin, palambutin na natin ng konti yung sayote, tapos ilalagay naman natin yung malunggay. So, malambot na yung sayote, so ilalagay naman natin ngayon itong malunggay.
What can I do? Yeah? We'll see. We'll see tomorrow.
Mahal ang bawat
Mahal ka din.
mahal ang bawat ng dahon ng malunggay, kaya
Mahal ang bawal.
uh-huh.
Mahal ang bawal movement?
Hindi pwede sayangin,
Oh,
right?
I don't know. Okay, we'll clean this later. This is
Just
hot.
leave it. I will clean it.
Yeah, I know. It's hot. How do you get oil up in the clock?
Hindi pa tapos kumain. Hindi pa kami tapos kumain.
We need a dirty kitchen.
Gusto na niyang linisan yung kalan. Ay, mainit pa nga.
Thank you for making me. Thank you. My favorite.
Kain tayo. Bon appetit.
Mmm.
You like it? Oh, that's
Ginger.
ginger.
Okay, that's enough.